Hey there, content creators, digital entrepreneurs, and aspiring online influencers. Welcome to the ultimate guide on a tool that's set to transform the landscape of content creation. Today, we're diving deep into TopView AI, an incredible AI-powered video editor that can turn any product link into a viral video with just one click. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn might revolutionize your entire approach to online content and monetization. The AI revolution in content creation. Let's kick things off with a mind-blowing fact. The content creation landscape is evolving at lightning speed, and AI is leading this revolution. Imagine this scenario. You're browsing Amazon, and you stumble upon a product you think your audience would love. In the past, you'd have to 1. Purchase the product. 2. Wait for it to arrive. 3. Set up lighting and camera equipment. 4. Film multiple takes. 5. Edit the footage. 6. Add effects and transitions. 7. Record a voiceover. 8. Sync audio with video. 9. Add subtitles. 10. Export and upload the final video. That entire process could take days, if not weeks. But with TopView AI, all of that is condensed into a few minutes. You find a product on Amazon, copy the link, paste it into TopView AI, and boom! You've got a professional, engaging video ready to post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. It's that simple and it's that powerful. Real-world success stories. To drive home just how game-changing TopView AI is, let's look at some real-world examples. A video created with TopView AI garnered 2.9 million views on TikTok. Just imagine the exposure and potential sales from that kind of reach. Another product video hit 2.4 million views. That's 2.4 million potential customers seeing a product you're promoting. One video reached an astounding 6.8 million views. In the past, this level of reach was reserved for big brands with massive marketing budgets. Now it's accessible to anyone with a computer and TopView AI. These aren't just vanity metrics. These views translate directly into sales and commissions for creators. That's the power of combining AI with strategic content creation. It's not just about making videos. It's about making videos that convert viewers into customers. Why most people struggle with video marketing? Now you might be thinking, if it's so easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, here's a sobering statistic. Did you know that 90% of people fail to make money with social media videos or product promotions? It's a staggering number, but it's often due to simple mistakes that are easily avoidable. Some common pitfalls include 1. Poor video quality. 2. Lack of engaging content. 3. Inconsistent posting. 4. Not understanding the platform's algorithm. 5. Failing to call viewers to action. 6. Inadequate product research. 7. Ineffective storytelling. 8. Poor audio quality. 9. Neglecting SEO optimization. 10. Insufficient audience targeting. That's where TopView AI comes in. This tool is designed to help you overcome these common pitfalls and skyrocket your results in the digital space. It takes care of the technical aspects of video creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and engagement. Introducing TopView AI, your AI-powered content creation powerhouse. So, what exactly is TopView AI? At its core, it's an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to automatically create attention-grabbing marketing videos. But it's so much more than just a video editor. It's a complete content creation powerhouse. Let's break down what makes it special. 1. One-click video creation. Choose a product from Amazon, Shopify, or eBay, paste the link, and TopView AI does the rest. It analyzes the product information, images, and reviews to create a compelling video. 2. AI-powered learning. The AI has analyzed over 5 million successful videos to understand what makes content go viral. It's like having a team of expert marketers working for you 24/7. 3. Multilingual support. Create videos in over 20 languages. This feature alone can help you tap into international markets with ease. 4. AI avatars. Use realistic AI avatars to narrate your videos. This is perfect for those who aren't comfortable being on camera or want to create content at scale. 5. Automatic dubbing. Choose from over 100 different voice types for professional-sounding narration. You can match the voice to your brand personality or target audience. 6. Customization options. Edit and improve your videos automatically with AI suggestions. You can tweak the script, change the music, or adjust the pacing to perfectly match your style. 7. Multiple format support. Create videos optimized for various platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The AI understands the nuances of each platform. 8. Trend analysis. TopView AI stays updated with the latest social media trends, ensuring your content is always relevant and engaging. 9. SEO optimization. The AI helps optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better discoverability. 10. Performance analytics. Track your video performance across different platforms to refine your strategy. How to use TopView AI, a step-by-step guide. Now that you understand what TopView AI can do, let's walk through how to use it step by step. 1. Sign up. Go to the TopView AI website. You can find the link in the description below this video. Sign up using your Google account or email. The process is quick and straightforward. 2. Navigate the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find options to create new videos, view your projects, and access analytics. 3. Create a new video. Look for the option to create a new video. This is where the magic begins. 4. Choose your product. Now here's where TopView AI really shines. Copy a product link from Amazon or any other e-commerce site you're promoting. This could be anything from tech gadgets to fashion items to home decor. 5. Analyze the product. Paste the link into TopView AI and click Analyze. The AI will start working its magic, pulling all relevant information about the product. This includes product features, customer reviews, pricing, and even competitor analysis. 6. Select video format. Choose your video format. I recommend 9:16 for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, but you can also choose other ratios depending on where you plan to post. TopView AI will suggest the best format based on your target platform. 7. Choose your language. Select your language and preferred AI voice. Remember, you have over 100 voice options to choose from. This is crucial for targeting specific markets or maintaining brand consistency. 8. Select an AI avatar. This is one of TopView AI's standout features. Pick an AI avatar to narrate your video. This step is optional, but it can add a personal touch to your content without you ever having to step in front of a camera. 9. Generate your video. Click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. In just a few minutes, TopView AI will create multiple video options for you. Each will have a unique style, pacing, and focus. 10. Preview and select. Preview each video option. You can watch them right in the TopView AI interface. Pay attention to how each video showcases the product and appeals to your target audience. 11. Customize your video. If you want to make any changes, use the built-in editor. You can adjust the script, change the music, or even rearrange scenes. This is your chance to add your personal touch and ensure the video aligns perfectly with your brand. 12. Add calls to action. Don't forget to include strong calls to action, CTAs, in your video. TopView AI can suggest effective CTAs based on the product and platform, but feel free to customize these to your specific goals. 13. Optimize for SEO. Use TopView AI's SEO suggestions to optimize your video title, description, and tags. This will help your video get discovered by more potential viewers. 14. Download and post. Once you're happy with your video, simply click Download. Your video is now ready to be posted on your chosen platform. 15. Track performance. After posting, use TopView AI's analytics tools to track your video's performance. This data will be invaluable for refining your strategy for future videos. The entire process, from pasting the link to having a finished video, can take as little as 5-10 minutes. Compare that to the hours or even days it might take to create a video manually. Why TopView AI is a game changer in content creation. Now that you've seen how TopView AI works, let's talk about why it's such a revolutionary tool in the content creation world. 1. Time saving. Create professional videos in minutes, not hours. This means you can produce more content, test different products, and scale your online presence faster than ever before. 2. Cost-effective. No need for expensive video equipment or editing software. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring content creators. 3. Scalable. Produce multiple videos quickly to test different products and styles. This allows you to find what resonates with your audience without investing tons of time and resources. 4. Professional quality. Even if you have no video editing skills, your content will look polished and engaging. The AI ensures that your videos meet the standards of each platform. 5. Multilingual. Easily create content for international audiences. This opens up new markets and revenue streams with minimal extra effort. 6. Consistency. The AI helps maintain a consistent style and quality across all your videos, which is crucial for building a brand. 8. Trend aware. TopView AI stays updated with the latest social media trends, ensuring your content is always relevant and engaging. 10. Continuous improvement. The AI learns from each video's performance, constantly improving its algorithms to create even better content. Monetization opportunities with TopView AI. Here's where things get really exciting. With TopView AI, you're not just creating videos, you're opening up new revenue streams. Let's explore how you can monetize your content. 1. Affiliate marketing. Create compelling product videos and earn commissions on sales. The AI-generated videos can showcase products in an engaging way, potentially increasing your conversion rates. 2. TikTok monetization. Use these videos to grow your TikTok following and qualify for the Creator Fund. The viral potential of AI-generated content can help you reach the required follower and view counts faster. 3. YouTube Shorts. Build an audience on YouTube with eye-catching short-form content. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and product placements. 4. Instagram Reels. Increase your Instagram engagement and attract potential sponsors. Brands are always looking for creators who can produce high-quality content consistently. 5. E-commerce promotion. If you have your own products, use TopView AI to create promotional videos quickly and efficiently. 6. Online courses. Use the tool to create promotional videos for your online courses or educational content. 7. Consulting services. Offer video creation services to clients using TopView AI, scaling your output without scaling your time investment. 8. Dropshipping. Create product videos for your dropshipping business, showcasing items in an appealing way without needing physical inventory. 9. Local business promotion. Help local businesses create social media content, opening up a new clientele for your services. 10. Niche market penetration. Quickly create content for various niche markets, testing which ones have the most potential for monetization. Remember, success in the digital world is all about consistency, quality, and adaptability. TopView AI gives you the power to deliver all three, day after day. It's leveling the playing field, allowing creators of all experience levels to produce professional quality content that can compete with big brands. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Embrace the revolution and watch your online presence soar. With TopView AI, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're staying ahead of the curve. So why wait? Click the link in the description, sign up for TopView AI, and start your journey to becoming a content creation powerhouse today. The world of AI-powered content creation is waiting for you, and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe to WealthWalk, leave a like on this video, and drop a comment letting me know how TopView AI works for you. Your success is my success, and I can't wait to see what amazing content you create with this tool. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and let AI be your secret weapon in the world of digital content.